Hello, my name is Dave Smith, and I am showing a video of my app called juShihTzu. juShihTzu is a mobile app that introduces programming to small children. The app is definitely in early development, so please pardon my dust. Um, so basically, what the game does is it you want to get the dog to his bone by writing a program. So it's basically having the kids look at evaluate the board and then figure out which moves the dog should make to get to the bone, and then you will enter the moves accordingly. So, for instance, here um, we would want the dog to turn once, and then he sees a wall. So with the wall, he can knock that wall down with a hammer. So I'll add a hammer. Now I want to move up to the space where the wall used to be, so I'm going to walk. Then I'm going to turn again because now I'm facing up. So I'm going to want to turn left so that I'm facing the bone. So if I turn left, now I'm facing the bone, and then I want to walk. And so once I feel that I have the right program, I click Run Program, and the dog will start to make the moves. All right, and so here it goes. It says we win. Um, this game is, of course, very simple, but the app does have different levels, so I can move to novice or advanced beginner. So advanced beginner will be a 5x5 board. Competent will be a 7x7 board. Proficient will be a 9x9 board, and expert will be an 11x11 board. But for this purpose, we're just going to keep it at novice. Um, if you see here, and also in the menu, we have two versions of the game. So one is to help the dog find his bone. The other one is kind of a match 3 game. And the reason why I chose match 3 is because I did some research, and it says that females usually like the top game that females plays are match 3 games, and I wanted this game to kind of attract women uh, because part of the goal is to also get women more interested in computer science. um, so basically this game, it works exactly the same as Find a Dog. You just want to write a program, uh, and basically the way this works is whatever the arrow is pointing at, you can swap. So right now the arrow is pointing at the wall. So if I do a swap, then it pretty much switches places. And so what you want to do is turn the arrow, do some swaps until you can get all 3 dogs in a row. And again, you have to write the whole program out before you can run. And that's pretty much it. Also, another feature of the game. Let's go back to Find a Bone. Um, so right now in Find a Bone, let's try to do another board. It's still in. There's a few bugs. Sometimes it does not put the Shih Tzu on the board, and it looks like it's doing that a lot here. Okay, so here we go. So another thing that another feature is this. I want to introduce them to loops as well. So I can put in a loop, and I can make. So right now, if I wanted to face the tree, for instance, I would need to turn. I would need to turn either left twice or right twice. But I could also just insert a loop, and I can say how many loops I want. So I'm gonna say 2. I hit OK. So now I can put what the moves I want, and it's gonna loop that amount of time. So right now I'm just gonna put in turn left, and so now it should turn left twice. Okay, and so then once I'm done with the loop, then I want to turn it off so that it no longer accepts moves inside the loop. And now I'm gonna say cut, because now that I turned twice, I want to cut that tree, and then I'm gonna move forward. And let's just see. And so basically, I'm not going to get to the bone now, but I just wanted to show how the loop works. So now if I run the program, you should see him turn twice and then cut the tree and then move in the square that the tree used to be. So let's run the program. All right, and then that's it. So that's my progress so far. Um, of course, you saw some of the bugs where sometimes it does not put the Shih Tzu on the board. That's something I'm still working on. Also, another problem that I have is that sometimes it will generate boards that are not actually able, that does not have a solution. So I'm trying to figure out how to do that as well. But that's the game. Thank you.